So someone asked me today, Julia, is it, sorry, my hair is messy, I just bathed. Okay, so Julia, um, why are you on video? You know, is it necessary to be on video on social media all the time? I was like, I have been doing videos since July 2019. Okay, very active on YouTube. Then after that, I venture into Facebook. And then I realized all my clients, right, are watching me on Facebook. Okay, and it really, you know, is because when 2020 came in, right, which is pandemic and all, I was really stunned. I don't know what to do. I was literally stunned. Okay, and then thanks to Anna, my this girlfriend who's doing attraction marketing as well. She is so fabulous with a good heart. She helped me. She taught me how to do attraction marketing, and then henceforth I went on to learn from other social media gurus as well. So one of the gurus, right, which was I have to pay 10K, you know, to attend her 4 days of training, and she stays in Hawaii. Wow. She has been doing business, right, via social media ads, right, for years and years, and she's like multi-millionaire already. And when I look into Singapore's market, right, we are so far behind. You know, China and US, right, are so into social media, and here we are just catching up. Okay, so if you are not doing social media, you're not doing videos online, right, you lack all these things. You know, your influence, okay, and then the trust that I created for so long, right, since 2019, is being paying off. You know, I got clients calling me and wanting to order things, you know, and they also know my reputation. They know that I won many awards from Mary Kay, which is the other company that I'm working with, right, and they know my products that I'm carrying, right, and they know my services because I do styling. Okay, right now I'm doing performance coaching. That means business coaching, and teaching you how to watch your budget, you know, and then how do you do live on social media and know how to speak well and know how to present well and know how to present your expertise, right? So this one is very necessary right now to be on social media, but just focus on one platform first. Then when you are expert on that platform, then you move on to you repurpose the other content to the other platforms. Alright, so if you like this video, please help me to share and comment and tell me what have you learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!